Mini Donut Maker. The Dash Mini Donut Maker machine stands out as an exceptional addition to any kitchen, particularly for those who enjoy creating delightful treats at home. Its eye-catching aqua color adds a playful touch to the appliance, which is compactly designed with dimensions of 8.7 into 10.6 bobblers into 3.9 HH, ensuring it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up too much space. This manual donut maker boasts a power of 760 watts, enabling it to heat quickly and deliver consistent results. Weighing just 3.26 pounds, its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and store away when not in use. The metal material ensures durability while also being PFOA-free, prioritizing safety in your kitchen endeavors. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, derived from over 13,200 reviews, the Dash Mini Donut Maker is highly regarded in its category, holding the #1 spot for mini donut makers and ranking number 2,176 in the broader kitchen and dining segment. It demonstrates reliability